being able to come back to, ground floor, being back in beauty school at the beginning of their journey and to hear their stories, it's incredible,
So if you had to leave the students with something like a little nugget.
So what I will say, and this is something that I have been always fortunate to have, is just curiosity and staying curious, because again, this industry has so much to offer. Stay curious, it'll open up your eyes and vision to see what else is out there, and go for it. And one of my favorite parts about being an educator is the non-hair related stuff.
Right.
Because it's just one facet of what we do. And I love, just sharing. All I can share is my experience.
Right.
And I love doing it. Sharing not only knowledge with, hair, but outside of hair. I love just sharing information. As I'm given, the more, I'm honored to be a mentor.
Right.
And so I take that very seriously. So I continue that as well.
And if you could leave one last thing with prospective students that are in the industry, professionals, what would it be?
Stay curious, always. And then on top of that, I was asked, how did you build a name for yourself? And she specifically, we're in Kansas, it's a smaller, town. How do you build a name for yourself? And it's saying yes.
Right.
Putting yourself out there, even if, like myself, as an introvert, you just have to put yourself out there, this is all about crazy things. Life is about relationships.
Right.
And the more you put yourself out there, say yes to things without expecting anything in return, stay curious, you'll make it.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate you coming out to Kansas.